What if you could tap into an audience of millions who prefer to pay online without a bank account or credit card? That's the power of Paysafe. In the rapidly evolving world of e-commerce, offering flexible and secure payment options is key to growing your business. Paysafe, a global leader in payment processing, is much more than just a typical credit card processor. They offer a suite of solutions that help merchants connect with customers wherever they are and however they want to pay. So, how exactly do merchants accept payments through Paysafe? It boils down to a few key areas. First, let's talk about the traditional path: card processing and gateway solutions. This is Paysafe's foundation. As a merchant, you integrate their payment gateway, often through a single, secure API. This allows you to accept all the usual suspects: Visa, MasterCard, and other major credit and debit cards, both online and in person. Paysafe handles the heavy lifting, from secure data tokenization and PCI compliance to robust fraud management, ensuring a smooth and protected transaction for both you and your customer. Second, the rise of the digital wallet. Paysafe owns and operates popular digital wallets like Skrill and Neteller. By accepting these, you gain access to a massive, global user base who prefer the speed, security, and low-friction checkout experience of a pre-funded digital wallet. Customers can pay with just a few clicks, leading to lower card abandonment rates for you. Third, and perhaps most unique, are Paysafe's eCash solutions. This is where you bring the cash-preferring customer into the digital world. The two main products here are PaysafeCard and Paysafe. With PaysafeCard, a customer buys a prepaid voucher with a 16-digit PIN code at a local retail outlet. They use that PIN to pay for goods or services on your website. No bank details, no personal information exchanged. It's anonymous, secure, and popular, especially in the gaming and entertainment sectors. With Paysafe, a customer selects the option online, generates a barcode, and then physically goes to a nearby partner shop to pay the outstanding amount in cash. It bridges the gap between the online shop and an offline cash payment. For a merchant, integrating these diverse methods often happens through one central Paysafe platform. This single integration gives you multi-currency support, a variety of payment types, and consolidated reporting through their business portals, making it easier to manage transactions, settlements, and customer insights all in one place. Whether you're a small business needing a simple card reader or a global enterprise looking to capture new markets with local payment options, Paysafe provides the secure infrastructure and the payment method variety to help you scale and succeed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.